Hello friends, my name is Abhishek Varma. In this session we talk about eminent scientists that contribution in development of science. She's name is Marie Curie. So first of all we know about Marie Curie. So introduction slide is there. Marie is born in Warsaw in Poland. We know that the Poland is under influence of Russia at that time. So no woman have permission to study higher education. Apart from that, she did not stop. She go to Paris and completed her higher studies. In Paris, she meet with Pierre. After some time, she marry with Pierre and conduct research on radioactivity. So first of all, we know about radioactivity. So the radioactivity slide is there. So radioactivity is a property in which radioactive elements emits invisible rays. Such radioactive elements that emits invisible rays we call as radioactive elements. An example is uranium, thorium, plutonium and polonium. Radioactivity is discovered by Henry Becquerel. Henry Becquerel is a discovered radioactivity by accident. A uranium compound was placed in drawer containing photogenic plates wrapped in black paper. When the plates were examined later, it was found that the wire is exposed. This exposure gave the rise to concept of radioactivity decay. Radioactivity can be seen in such forms gamma decay or a beta decay such as alpha decay. So you will see in the video how the radiation are emits. In this video you will see that the alpha and beta rays are shoot in the ore of the uranium. Then Curie decided to do her thesis on a radiation. So recently discovered in uranium by Henry Becquerel, she found that the ore containing uranium is more radioactive that could be explained by uranium content. As we know that the 400 times the radioactive material than uranium, that is radium or polonium. In 1898, it was added to the periodic table as in polonium, named after Curie birth country. For research in radiation phenomenon, Curie became the first woman that got Nobel Prize in two scientific fields, that is physics and chemistry. In 1903, she was awarded for a discovery of polonium, and in 1911 for isolation of radium she awarded another Nobel Prize in chemistry. So we discuss about the characteristics of polonium and radium. Here the polonium atomic number is 84 and symbol is Po. Atomic mass is 209 gram per mole. Polonium is a alpha emitter, hence it is used in anti-static devices for research purpose. In case of radium, the atomic number is 88 and symbol is Ra. Atomic mass is 206 gram per mole. Radium is known as heaviest alkaline earth metal. Radium was formerly used in self-luminous paints for watches, nuclear panels, aircraft switches, clocks. The most important thing of radium was used in medicine to produce radon gas, which was used as a cancer treatment. Marie has a contribution in World War I. During First World War, Curie promoted the use of X-rays. She developed radiological cars, which later became known as a Patty's Curie. In the battlefield, the lakhs of soldiers saved by Marie. As shown in the figure, you will see that the cars, that is a Patty's Curie, shown in the figure. But at the end, both Curies were constantly ill from radiation, and the Marie Curie's death from aplastic anemia. In aplastic anemia, in which the bone marrow is stopped or reduced the producing number of blood cells. But the interesting fact about this, a few of her books and papers are still radioactive that are stored in lead boxes. At the end of the video, I would like to say that the Marie Curie was a great scientist. She devoted her life for a discovery of radioactive elements. She knows radiation is very harmful or dangerous for her life, but she didn't stop. She continuously working on discovery of radioactivity. She was the first scientist or a lady that have a Nobel Prize in two scientific fields, that is physics and chemistry. I would like to thanks to my teacher who encouraged me to create a video on a eminent scientist that contribution in science of developments.